Yo, 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 what is up, everyone? Long time no see. The sun is in my eye. I'm glad the sun's out, though. This has been a rubbish summer. Anyway, as you can see, not happy about it. Let's move on, sore subject. But anyway, I want to start with saying sorry for saying sorry about not making videos and then just doing the same thing straight away. That's bad of me, but stuff happens. Anyway, so unexpected video. So I feed foxes and hedgehogs just because I'm that guy. And last night I was out about 10, 11 in my garden, and I seen a hedgehog come in, went round the corner and then started making weird noises. And I was like, oh, let me go and get some food, see if it's all right. Well, yeah, they were all right. They were, they were definitely all right. So yeah, so it was me, the hedgehogs, and the foxes. I'm pretty sure I was saving the hedgehogs by being there, and I got good footage. So it's a win-win. And yeah, the first, I'm gonna have to say sorry for the camera quality, video quality for the first bit of the video, but it gets the HD, so bear with it. And then yeah, I've got more videos coming soon. Definitely. I've accidentally deleted loads accidentally, so that's why there's been nothing. My bad. But yeah, got other videos. So without further ado, I've been talking way too much. Let's just get straight to the video. LifeOfKush, I'm back. Two hedgehogs mating. Flipping camera, man. So I'm not gonna lie, but I think this male is harassing this female, because I was watching for ages and she does not seem like she's interested. But maybe this is what it's like in hedgehog life, you know what I mean? Shit, a fox just ran past. Oi, so that was where it ended because I filmed it on Snapchat and it deleted. I don't know why, you know how Snapchat is. But anyway, if you do want to add me on Snapchat, I'm going to put my snap there. You see some crazy stuff on there. Yeah, it gets a bit hectic sometimes. But yeah, so after the film cut out, they carried on doing the same thing basically, but then they had a little rest and the female was led down in the middle of the grass just eating the food that was there, and the male was kind of like circling her and guarding her, and it was kind of cute, mad to watch. But yeah, so I just put more food down, water, because if I'm correct, that would be the second litter, if it's called that, of the year, and because it's getting on in the year, resources might become scarce when the babies are here. So yeah, make sure they're healthy to begin with, and then I'm gonna keep obviously feeding. I might buy a hedgehog hut, so if I do, I'll keep you updated if she does end up using it. Hopefully, if I put it in the right place, she might. But yeah, if you like the video, then give it a like, and then if you feel like other people need to see it, share it, and if you want to see more, then subscribe. See what I've done there? But anyway, I've been Kush, you've been watching Life of Kush, and until next time, I'll catch you in a bit.